Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen twice. This will show you a bunch of toggles. One of them will be the Do Not Disturb mode right over here, as you can see. Once you see it, first time around I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings, where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. I recommend checking out this section right here, the duration for quick settings, which allows you to choose what will happen when you manually turn on your Do Not Disturb mode. Now by default it is set to run indefinitely in the background, but I personally prefer the timed option, so the middle one, as this allows me to select a specific amount of time that the hotspot will run for, and even if I forget about it, after the time runs out, it will automatically turn it off. So I like to set it for something like 4 hours, which gives me ample amount of time to cover whatever need I have for it. That's just a little bit of time extra, and if I forget about it, it will turn it off. But if I remember, I can obviously turn it off myself. And to turn it on and off, you just find the toggle, tap on it, obviously this turns it on. It also tells you that it's going to run till 7:35 p.m. if I don't do it myself, meaning don't turn it off. But like I said, you can do that as well by tapping on a toggle once more. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.